Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I have the S26 Ultra here, and I'll be showing you how to create a wireless hotspot. Now, a wireless hotspot is basically sharing your internet and using your device as a means of sharing the internet. Now, you can actually use this to allow others to actually connect to your device to use your internet, or of course, for devices such as smart devices, could be any device to connect to share your internet. Comes in very handy, especially in cases where you might have a internet outage, and of course your phone has internet, so you can allow your laptop or other device to connect. All right, so in order to do this, you're going to go ahead and go to your settings. So go ahead and go over to your settings. Once you're in settings, guys, to do this, you're going to go to connections, which is usually the first option with the Wi-Fi symbol. Once you're under connections, you're going to go down and you're going to search for mobile hotspot or tethering. All right, so here you'll see a bunch of options because of course there's multiple things you can do through tethering, but the one we want is mobile hotspot, which is the first option there. All right, so what you want to do here is turn on mobile hotspot. So we can toggle it on, but in order to see the settings, go ahead and tap on the text itself. Now, once you're in here, you can always turn it on there. And once you turn it on, you'll see the defaults here. But just in case you wanted to change the defaults, it's very easy. You can always toggle it off in case you don't want it to broadcast. Where it says network name, go ahead and change the name. All right, so you want to do the important stuff here. For example, I give it, like, you can use a nickname, you can use whatever you want to call it, and of course you're going to set the password. The password, I recommend letters, numbers, and special characters, or you can make it simple so it's easy to remember. You can always come back in and change it, as I might just change mine. Here you can set the compatibility, for example 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz network. You can do the more advanced properties. I'm not going to show you that. Security, we have it's best to leave it at WPA2 personal. That's more than enough, and it's a standard. All right, so you can see there the password, you can see the network, and of course all these other things can be off. Once you have set a suitable password or modified the password, you can go ahead and turn it on. In terms of your device, you can use your mobile internet or even your current Wi-Fi, and it should work still. All right, but most times we tend to use it using mobile hotspot. Now you want to get a secondary device. All right, so here I have my iPad, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you that it's actually broadcasting as the name shown there. So I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to Wi-Fi. I hope you're able to see this. So once you're under Wi-Fi, if you search now, notice it's called my name here, Ricky's S26 Ultra. And if you look right here, it says it clearly, Ricky's S26 Ultra. And if I tap on it, it will require the password. And all I got to do is enter this password that's shown right here. All I got to do is enter the password and it will connect. So let me go ahead and type that in. I've entered the password. So all I got to do here is go ahead and enter. And of course, there you go. It says connecting. And there you go, it's now connected. So of course it's active and I have internet over here, so it's able to connect, and now I have internet as shown here, and that's simple as that. And of course that's how you do it. All right, so that was useful, guys, and I'll end the tutorial here. See you in the next one.